Today we are making black sesame tangyuan in ginger syrup from China. It serves 4 people and takes about 60 minutes from start to finish. Let's cook. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 260 grams of glutinous rice flour, the base for a chewy and silky dough. 180 milliliters of hot water to hydrate the dough. 100 grams of black sesame seeds for a deep, nutty filling. 60 grams of granulated sugar to sweeten the sesame paste. 40 grams of unsalted butter, softened, to bind the filling and add richness. 1 gram of salt to balance the sweetness. 40 grams of fresh ginger, sliced, to perfume the syrup. 800 milliliters of water to make the ginger syrup. 80 grams of rock sugar or brown sugar for the syrup sweetness. 2000 milliliters of water for boiling the tangyuan. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Toast the 100 grams of black sesame seeds in a dry black non-stick skillet over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring often, until fragrant. Remove from the heat and let them cool completely. Grind the cooled sesame seeds with 60 grams of granulated sugar in a food processor until a fine, slightly oily powder forms. Add 40 grams of softened unsalted butter and 1 gram of salt to the processor and blend until a smooth paste forms. Scrape the sesame paste into a small bowl, cover it, and chill for 20 minutes so it firms up. In a large glass bowl, add 260 grams of glutinous rice flour. Gradually pour in 180 milliliters of hot water while stirring with a spoon until shaggy crumbs form. Knead the dough by hand for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and pliable, then cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 20 equal pieces, about 13 grams each, and roll each piece into a smooth ball. Flatten one dough ball into a small disc. Place about 8 grams of sesame filling in the center, wrap the edges up, pinch to seal, and roll gently to make a smooth tangyuan. Repeat with the remaining dough and filling to make 20 tangyuan, and keep them covered with a damp towel so they do not dry out. Make the ginger syrup. In a medium stainless steel saucepan, combine 800 milliliters of water, 40 grams of sliced fresh ginger, and 80 grams of rock sugar or brown sugar. Bring it to a gentle boil, then simmer for 10 minutes. In a large stainless steel pot, bring 2000 milliliters of water to a rolling boil. Gently slide the tangyuan into the boiling water and stir right away to prevent sticking. Cook until the tangyuan float to the surface, then keep boiling for 2 more minutes so they cook through. Turn off the heat. With a slotted spoon, transfer the cooked tangyuan into the simmering ginger syrup and let them soak for 1 minute. Ladle the tangyuan and hot ginger syrup into white ceramic bowls, 5 tangyuan per bowl, to make 4 servings. Serve immediately while hot. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe. See you next time.